Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to airbrushing this with my oldest brush. I've got my oldest harder and steam back. It is the Evolution Silverline Solo. This must be getting on, it's got to be getting on nearly 20 years old. So we're going to use this today. So if you're wondering about the new brushes that are coming out, are they value for money? Will they last the test in time sort of thing? Proof's in the pudding right there, guys. You're going to see this today. Smash this portrait out, and this is 20 years old and works absolutely perfect. So you've got no dramas with lasting with the H&S brushes. That's why I wanted to use this one today. We're using FW inks. We're going to use a couple of the FW inks. We're going to use a Payne's Grey, and then I'm going to start to tone it back with a black and darken out some of the pieces around here and round in the eyes. So enjoy today's time lapse. I'll see you at the end when we've painted it, tell you a few things on how I did it, and yeah, let's crack on. there you go guys, we've got it down. Absolutely wicked brush. I've not picked this up for ages and it just performed. As you can see, H&S again, minimal testing to the side. You just get in and smash the artwork out. And this is got to be getting on 20 years old. I've done one upgrade to this. I changed it to the prong cap on the front and that is it. Absolutely brilliant brush guys, it really is. And it's an old one. So as I say, if you are wondering about the longevity of a H&S brush, proof's in the pudding, really old, smashes the artwork out just as it did the same day as I got it. This is one airbrush I will not get rid of. This was like the second airbrush that I got, and it was one that my wife brought me. It was the 2-in-1, the Silverline Solo. Brilliant. It was just brought back so many memories picking it up because I always use this brush. So quick clean, back on the shelf, and it'll be ready to go again. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Picked a little bit up in the time lapse. Hope I caught enough with the camera. I was trying to get it as close in as I could, and I probably missed a bit where the camera was low and I was doing the cap at the top to get this piece in. But basically just go round, you see how I did it, just built the tones up, build them up nice and light, and then I just darkened off with a black with some of the Payne's grey and just put a few drops of black in it and just brought the hair in, went back over the eyes and got it down. The paper that I was using, I'll pop up in the screen now. So this is the one I was using. It's very absorbent, so it feels like when you're going in close on detail it can slightly blow and blow out. So I had to go in with shields to try and get it really sharp where I needed it sharp. Posca paint pen to drop the real bright highlights in. Job done. Nice and easy one. So hope you've enjoyed it. Drop your comments, tell me your thoughts, tell me if you've got a Silverline Solo, if you've still got one, and I'll see you lot in the next one guys. Cheers.